Beautiful patch of greens here. Look what we got in here. Chickens love hanging out under this green patch. So yesterday I uploaded a video sharing with you guys the absolute easiest way to harvest worm castings. Today I want to share with you how to keep that worm bin productive even throughout the winter months. Alright, so here we are back at the bathtub worm bin. Now some of you guys may have picked up on yesterday's video that there's a cord sticking out of this tub. So what this is none other than a seedling heat mat. This is a 10 by 20.75 inch heating mat, and this just puts off just enough heat to heat up the top layers here of food scrap in this worm bin. And it's definitely making a difference in the production. So in the wintertime, we get below freezing around here, and although most of the worms will still survive those temperatures, they slow down, they stop doing as much work and breaking down the food scrap, and we want those castings by spring. So to keep the worm bin nice and active throughout the colder parts of the year, this is a wonderful solution. This will work even in the coldest climates. Obviously, if you needed to, you could add maybe 2 of these, but you definitely don't want to create too much heat. So inspecting it just by putting your hand down in there and seeing where you're at, that's a good way to go. You can just add a couple more layers of cardboard in between as a buffer if it starts to get too hot. But I found even just 1 slab of cardboard and sandwiched in between, you just slide in that heating mat. It does a great job heating up the top couple inches of soil and scraps you're putting in there. And the red wigglers, which are predominantly used for worm bins, are surface dwellers, so they stay within the top few inches of soil. So you don't actually need to heat up the entire bin, just those top layers are what really matters. So there you have it. I find this to be a great solution for outdoor worm bins, is just a seedling heat mat, help keep things a little bit warmer for them. So anyway, keeping a healthy, active worm bin productive throughout the winter months can be a great benefit to us gardeners as spring approaches and we start doing our new plantings. Definitely want to utilize some of that fertilizer, whether you're just putting it directly in the garden or making a compost tea. So I hope this video helped, or at least was entertaining in some way. And so with that, I want to wish everyone a great rest of your day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.